Hi, my name is Jorge Ortiz. We are in Homestead Miami Speedway with the Race Factory Real Street Performance road racing team. We bought two Honda Civic, both with a K-City swap on it. This is a very challenging track for us because of the speed. It's all about speed, and we have to take or manage the best in the infield. That is the technical part of the track. So right now we qualify second on class and fifth overall. Definitely it's going to be a challenging race in the afternoon. We are going to do our best and try to make the win for the team. Okay, we are right here after the race. We started the race from second place. We managed to fight for the second place for about 4 laps into the race, but the gearing on the transmission was wrong for this particular track. We are running out of rep before turn number 1. The decision was to keep the pace and try to defend the third place on the class. So we take the third place after the race. Now we are working on the car, changing gearing on the transmission. So for tomorrow's race, I think it's going to be better for us, better suit for the track. So let's hope for a better finish on the race tomorrow. was ahead of the race with a very good battle between first, second, and third place all the race until a couple laps down to the finish line. I managed to take the second place and finish second place on class. So pretty much we are happy with the results of our cars right here in Homestead. And then next weekend we are going to race again at Sebring. So hope to see you there.